So today in this video tutorial session I'll discuss about another part of Oracle Forms Developer, which is part 7, and in this part I'll discuss about visual attributes. Okay, so I'll discuss about in this tutorial number 1, what is visual attributes, number 2, how to create a visual attribute, and number 3, how to use visual attribute in Oracle Forms. Okay, so today's discussion is on these topics. So before that I want to discuss about who are watching new this tutorial and who visiting my channel new. For them, a short introduction about my channel. So SoftAcademy, this YouTube channel is made for uploading and for various videos. I basically uploads various videos on Oracle different technologies like Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, Oracle PLSQL programming, Oracle database design and database architecture, various videos on Oracle database architecture and design, and also videos for Oracle database administration, and Unix shell programming and shell scripting. Okay, and also Oracle Forms and reports development. So all these type of videos I have already uploaded. If you see in my screen, I have uploaded from the very basic things to the advanced level of SQL and PLSQL topics. If you see from the beginning, so you can learn SQL also you can learn PLSQL, you can learn database administration and also Unix shell scripting and Oracle Forms and reports development from my YouTube channel by watching all these videos. Okay, so who are new this Oracle technologies, they can start from Oracle database DBMS concept. Here is 2 videos is there. They can start learning from SQL. There are 2 videos for SQL also, and there are various advanced topics on PLSQL programming. Who already knows SQL, they can learn from this PLSQL advanced topics like collection, exception, arrays, records, materialized views, explain plan. So various advanced topics on PLSQL I have made the videos and uploaded here. And for DBAs, I already uploaded database administration fundamentals and also various videos on internal architecture of database, select statement processing in Oracle database. So many videos are there, you can just watch all these videos. And for Unix shell programming and shell scripting is there. So I have started one series of Oracle interview questions and answers. From here you can see difference between procedure and functions. This question you can face in any interview whenever you are going for a interview of SQL developer, PLSQL developer, or Oracle programmer, or database tester, or many kind of role like Oracle consultant, this type of role. Either you are a fresher, so you are a 4-5 year experiences, or if you have already 10 plus or 15 plus years experiences, you can face these interview questions. So I have uploaded all these questions, and I have described each question in detail with the proper answer. If you watch these videos, you can learn how to make the answers properly. So there is a difference between truncate, delete, table and view, wide and row num, difference between primary key, foreign key, union, all. So here I have given a 15 interview tips. You can just watch out these tips if you follow. If you want to prepare yourself, how to prepare yourself in interview for an upcoming interview. I have given here 15 tips. Just comment below after watching if you already followed this, or if you are going to follow this. Okay, and there are many videos on statistics, Oracle statistics like dual table, exception, that is range, application error, and interview tips part 2. And this is other videos for which have been asked one of my follower or subscriber. I have made this video on this topic. So this is the DBA videos for DBA topics, like how to export data in a CSV file or how to export data in Excel file. And this is my Oracle SQL professional online training courses. If you want to know what I basically cover in complete Oracle SQL professional course, you can watch this. And this is the difference between type, percentage type and percentage row type. There are two videos. And this is the implicit and explicit cursor differences, very much important for interview question. And this is the normalization process and techniques, all about the normalization. You can just watch all this or complete this video if you want to know completely normalization. And this is very much important for interview. You can prepare this for your interview. And this is the in and exist operator, differences between in and exist operator. This is the difference between count star, count one and count column name. Very much important question for interview. And this is for Oracle DBA logical database structures. And this is for how you can prepare yourself for SQL interview, SQL developer interview. This is the subster and answer function, complete video on these two functions. And this is some tricky questions asked for by one of my follower, and I have made these videos. Just watch this out, these videos. And this is the Oracle career growth and opportunities. If you decided to work with Oracle technologies, if you started career with Oracle technologies, how you can what is the career growth and what is the opportunities in Oracle technologies. I have described everything. You just watch completely this video. And this is all about virtual columns. This is the date manipulation, whatever you can manipulate with date in Oracle. So you can understand all by watching this video. And from here I have started Oracle Forms development, that is also called Developer 2000 or D2K. And this is the introduction part, and there are various parts. I have uploaded already 6 parts here. This is for how to create the forms in Oracle Developer, and this is how to create the form manually, and how to operate DML operations, how you can do DML operations using Oracle Forms. And this is the master detail form, how we can create the master detail form, and also how you can insert, update or delete operation you can do. And this is the LOV, how to create LOV in Oracle Forms, and how to attach, how to work with LOV. And this one is the list item and working with the list item. Okay, so this is all about the series of Oracle Forms Developer D2K. I have started already 6 part I have uploaded, and today in this video, this is the part 7. I will discuss about the visual attributes, which is very very important in Oracle Forms, and I'll discuss about all these topics. Okay, so I already described about my channel, what type of videos I upload, various Oracle and Unix technologies. And a short introduction about me. I am Rabin, and I have 17 years of experiences working with this all these Oracle technologies and Unix technologies. And I have worked for many MNC companies, holding many positions like Oracle developer, tech lead, technical lead, project lead, the technical consultant, then senior system analyst, then project manager. So during my 17 years of experiences, I have worked with these technologies, holding these various positions. And right now I am a senior Oracle consultant, as well as technical and corporate trainer, and also I am an interviewer. So I provide trainings of various MNC companies, their employees, either they are freshers or experienced. And also I have providing training last 10 years of various candidates and students, also employees of different MNCs who are basically don't know the Oracle technology. They have started they want to start their career in Oracle, the various platforms. So I completely provide these trainings on by online interactive sessions. Complete Oracle SQL training, complete Oracle PL/SQL programming training, Oracle database architecture and database design training, Oracle database administration training, and also performance tuning training, Oracle forms and reports development training, and Unix shell scripting training. Okay, so all these kind of trainings I provided last 10 years. So if you want to join any of these trainings, you just can contact me. This is the contact information is in the about page. You can just WhatsApp me in this number, or you can just email me if you want more details. I'll reply back on this number, in your message, or in on your email. Okay, so there is a short process. I will reply back on this email or message. After the completion of short process, you can just start your interactive you can just join my interactive training sessions, online interactive training sessions, whatever module or whatever course you want to join. Okay, in which course you want to join. Okay, so that's all about me. And today I'm going to start I'm going to start one by one these topics to cover. Okay, so what is visual attributes? Okay, visual attributes are basically font, color, and pattern properties in Oracle Forms. Okay, so let me go to the Oracle Forms. I'll just going to Oracle Forms. Okay, So once you install Oracle Forms on your system, you will get a icon for Oracle Forms Builder. So this is the Oracle Form Builder icon. I'll just click over this icon to open Oracle Form Builder. So Oracle Form Builder is opening. So this dialog box has come, so just I clicked over cancel. So you will get this window. I have described everything about this in my first video, so I'm going to just explain how to create Oracle, how to create visual attributes. Okay, so I repeating again, what is the visual attribute? Visual attributes are color, font, color and pattern properties which you can attach with any object of Oracle Forms. Okay, so there is a node of visual attribute, you can see here. So this is the visual attribute node. To create a visual attribute, how to create a visual attribute? So first of all I have to create one data block. Okay, so click over the data block and just click over plus icon, that means it is a create icon. So I can just go with data block wizard, and next tabular view, I'll create it with tabular view. Just give the user and password here, and I'll create this data block with emp table. Yes, emp table, and just click over OK, and just select all as a database item. Just click finish, then it will show me the canvas type. Just default is OK, and all the displayed item, I'll display all the items in my canvas. So next, just next, and I'll just make it as a tabular. So more than one row at a time I'll want to see, or I want to insert, or whatever operations I can do with data. This is the appearance of the my form will be tabular, like table like. So just click over next and click over, I want to see 6 rows at a time, or 6 rows at a time. So I am giving here 6. Then next, let's finish. So this is created. Just a little bit down, I'll make it little bit down. Okay, now I'll just run it from this tool. So my form is running, and if I execute query, it is showing all the data. Okay, fine. Now what I will do is I'll create a visual attribute. So I'll go to this object navigator. This is called object navigator, and I'll go to the visual attribute node. Here visual attribute is this. So to create a visual attribute, just select the visual attribute and click over plus icon, and this is the this visual attribute is created, and just I will right click over it and just go to property palette, and here I can set the font name. So if I click over here, I can just select the font. I will change it to I'll give font name as courier name. Okay, and font size I'll give it 16, and font weight, let's say I'll give it bold, and foreground color, background color, I'll choose background color as dark, some dark shadow color, or background color, and foreground color I'll give white. Okay, so I have set font and background color, font and color properties here. So just I will close it, and in this data block, if I run this form, so my cursor will be in the current record. This is the first record. So if I execute this query, my cursor will be in the first record. I can see the second I can go to the second record by moving this cursor like this. So what I want to do is, whenever I will click over the first which record I will click over, I'll display it completely. Visually I can display it like different color. Okay, so let's say I'll display it background color as dark ash color, and for the font color will be white. Okay, so I already set my properties in visual attributes, so I will apply this on the current record, whichever the cursor is pointing to. Okay, that is the current record. So I'll just set here in the data block. So I'll go to this EMP, and just right click over it and just go to property palette, and here current record attribute. If you see here, records current record visual attribute group, this is the property which you have set the visual attribute here. Just if you click over here, you can see your visual attribute you have created. Just set it here and just close it, and if you run over this, after this you can see your current record will visually will be getting changed. If you can see your whatever your current record, it is showing the property of visual attribute. So if I write something here, you can see, you can see here, that is the white color. Just I have to make I have to make the color, I have to make the font size smaller so that it can fit in the text box. So you can see current record visual attribute is affecting here in my current record. So if I see, if I want to put 8000, so it is giving like background color as dark ash, and foreground color is what is the text color is white, which I have set in the visual attribute. So emp name like John, so you can see already. And if I just move cursor here, this current record will be getting affected by visual attribute, you can see, right? Okay, fine. So whatever the current record, you can see the visual attribute is working for the appropriately. Okay, so that's all. I think you have understand what is visual attribute and how you can use visual attribute in Oracle Forms. So that's all for this tutorial session. I think you have understand it well and in detail. So that's all for this tutorial session. I just after watching this video, if you like this video, you just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that for my next video you'll get the notification. And also share my video with your friends, colleagues, and your known person, so that they can also learn from my video. And whatever the video you have watched, whatever the video you will watch, just give a like if you liked my video, if my video is helpful for your learning, if my video was useful for your learning, and if my video have added some value to your learning. Okay, just give a like if my video have added some value to your learning. And also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, so that which video I'll upload, in which next video I'll upload, you will get the notification and you will can learn from my video. Okay, so that's all. Just comment below over the video, your comment is valuable for me. And just like my video if it was useful for your learning, and share it with your friends and colleagues, so that they can also make their skill by watching my video and learn the skill. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session. Thank you for watching my video, and hope to see you my next video. Okay, thank you, bye.